So these are also the things I'm going to start really teaching you guys too, is because you also want to be in a position to where you may not necessarily be ready to take the deal down because you're still laying your foundation, but you
Right.
want to be able to identify to where you can take deals to your circle and be able to put that together. And so that's why you still putting your foundation, getting your company together, because you may find someone who want to be a credit partner for you. Did you see the video with Alan and Neil where he had a
Yeah,
credit partner?
I was impressed, man. I was like, damn, like so he went from having so credit to actually finding somebody that had good credit, and then he funded his first deal, and it impressed me a lot, and it also kind of like made me, like it gave me more hope. So
Definitely.
now I'm like, wow, like it is possible. Like I can't let my credit just put me down and not, achieve what I want and my goals, because I have a lot of goals, man, and I just feel like there's certain hurdles that bring me down. And so after I saw that video, I was impressed.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'm gonna actually set a call to bring him back on
Yeah,
and
that'd be
speak
nice.
with
Yeah,
you guys, because I think a lot of people get stuck. And here's the thing, too, I'm gonna leave you with, Juan. Keep in mind, this is a brand new process for you.
yeah,
You're learning a brand new language. So it's not gonna come overnight. And I think we as humans, we are like, we're in a hurry to be in a hurry. And I think that sometimes we have to learn to slow down